Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today husband man is going to be helping me relax my hair because I went to the salon and they told me 35 pounds to relax hair and I'm like 35 pounds when I have him and his hands. So we're going to be attempting to relax hair today. I've already bought the relaxer. The relaxer cost about £4.50 or so, not up to £5. So let's hope that it was not a penny wise pound foolish situation. Okay, so let's go. Are you excited?
Yeah, I guess so.
First things first, you already started by watching YouTube videos, so I think that should give you all the moral support you need.
I don't even need the YouTube videos. I need to right now. I used to dye my I used to relax my beard.
Okay, oh, please don't burn my hair, that's all I have to say. Okay. Okay, let's see how it goes. How do you feel? Are you excited?
That's okay.
It's surgery for you. So this is the hair that the husband man did for me. I think he really did a good job. Don't you think so? See how relaxed it is? Like the hair is doing what it's supposed to do. Now the only thing is I've been looking for where I'm going to make my hair. I don't know where I'm going to do that. It's such a struggle and it's such a pain in the ass because every time I look at people, the hair that they do, I'm not that satisfied, you know what I mean? And I don't feel like spending my money to receive results that I'll not be satisfied for. So there's that as well. But yeah, I just finished filming a video on how much it costs to move to the UK as a doctor from Nigeria. I'm not sure if that video is going to go up before this vlog or after, but any which ways, you guys know that you're expecting a video like that, so that if the video is before this video, then you can watch it. If it is not, then you know that you're looking forward to that video. But yeah, you guys, I've still been struggling quite literally to get into the groove of everything. I've just been so overwhelmed. I don't know what is overwhelming me, but things are overwhelming me, sure. That's all I know. So yeah, that's what's up. Let me go and tidy up and do something else.
Much later.
Not really. Recording through the mic.
I'm so beautiful. Hi. Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. Okay, let's see how the audio. Morning guys. Today, yeah, it's always wet and windy. Like right now, it's a very windy day, even though the weather forecast says it's about 16, but because it's pretty windy, it's kind of chilly. See my hair giving me the Beyonce way. Beyonce. Follow me on YouTube. Don't say Beyonce is a witch. Based on which evidence, which research this is. Her hair flies without wind. Anyways, we're going to the bank. So when I first came to this country, the bank account I opened was apparently called a basic account, and that was because I didn't have an address. So they used like my hospital employment letter to open an account for me, and they said that they'll put me like on probation for like 3 months to see how I use the account, and then they can open like a current account for me. So right now it's been about 3 months or slightly over, of me using that account, so I want to change it to a current account so that, you know, I can start. I don't know what the benefit of a current account is, but I think it's more important. Anyway, so yeah, we're going to the bank now, and I use HSBC, so we are headed there right now. So we came to the phone shop to fix the laptop actually, and it turns out that the laptop is not ready yet. So you guys, I'm not happy with my hair. I've only had this hair for like 2 weeks and it's so rough now. It's 640 cheap. It's so rough. Like, they don't know how to do hair in this country. If I did this packing gel in Nigeria, it wouldn't have been rough so quickly. But right now I have to be applying gel literally every 2 seconds because of how rough it is. Anyways, apparently Tolu's laptop got bad at the charging port, and he had to bring it to the laptop shop, and they told him 5 days, and it's about 5 days already and it's still not fixed yet.
Tell me about his omen. It's scarce to get.
Yeah, they said it's scarce to get, the part is scarce to get, blah 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 blah. I wonder how much the final price now be.
It's just
we didn't ask.
No, they said the deposit was £50.
Deposit of £50, though.
No, like the quote was £50.
The quote for fixing it is £50.
Yeah.
Not that it's a deposit of £50. Because anything more than £50 is expensive, if I'm being honest.
He's a no man now.
So
Guy is a no man.
So anyways.
Why are you covering? Am I looking fresh?
Yeah, fresh. Sometimes. What's the benefit of doing surgery when you can come and do fat dissolving aqualix for £75, laser lipo for £20, 3-in-1 tummy tuck £59? The prices of these things are, it's just that I don't know if they're actually going to work, but have you seen somebody that did it and it worked fine for them?
I don't know, but maybe it worked temporarily.
I don't know. People advertise things that don't show results all the time. But maybe I need the laser liposuction for my tummy, so I can't be having a flat tummy and that. Anyways, we're at the bank now finally. Hey guys, good morning. Husband man, do you want to say hi to the vlog? He's just waking up and I'm so sure he's playing game. Are you playing game? You're working. He's working. Praise be to God that he's working, and he's obsessed with this. What's the name of that game that you like to play? It's like a soccer game. He's obsessed with it. Football Manager, yes, that's the name. He's obsessed with that game. Anyways, you guys, today I'm going to be making my hair. I just washed the hair because London braiders have all type of rules. Don't come with your hair with product in it. Don't do this one, don't do that one. So I decided to just wash my hair, even though it's already clean, but just because I don't want anybody to be telling me, oh, your hair has some product in it, and if we're going to be washing it, that it will be £10 extra, blah blah. I don't want to hear that. Honestly, I don't. It was such a struggle to even find this braider in the first place. Like, it was literally a struggle to find this braider. First of all, everybody that I wanted to use, hold on, let me put you guys somewhere so that I can free my hands because my hands are paining me. Okay guys, so like I was saying, I wanted to make these French braids, French curls. I'm not sure what they're called, but I bought these braids from Nigeria. This hair vendor in Nigeria called Aya Hair, the hair braiding hair. It's this silky type braiding hair. I really like it because it's really bouncy. You guys must have seen me use this type of braiding hair many times. I just like it because I feel like it makes you look really expensive and that. So that's why I chose to go with this braiding hair. And to find someone who would agree to braid this braiding hair in London has been a huge struggle. I didn't imagine that it could be so difficult because in Nigeria it's so easy to get someone to do it, but in London, for whatever reason, it's been a huge struggle. Anyways, every time I go to the salon and I tell them, oh, this is the type of hair I want to use, then they say, oh, I can't do it, it takes too long to make, it's too slippery, it's too silky. So I eventually asked around and I got someone to recommend someone that would make it, and she said she was going to charge £250, and I'm like, bruv, £250 for braids? That's almost 200,000 naira. You have got to be kidding me. For braids, must be meant, must actually be meant. How much is my doctor's salary in a day? How much is it that I'll now spend my whole day's worth on braids? You fucking joking? It's not gonna work. So I said no thanks, it's above my budget, as a polite child that I am. And then I went ahead to search for more people, but the average range, even in Peckham, that I thought was going to be cheap, they were telling me was £180 in Peckham. I'm like, okay, there's definitely a problem somewhere. So I asked a friend on Twitter and she recommended someone. So the lady said if it's going to be like back length braids, then it will be, I think she said 120. If it's bum length, it will be 140. And that just seemed to be the most fair price. And she said if she's going to come over, I'll pay £10 extra. So the total package of this hair is about £150, which is pretty expensive considering the fact that if I were to do this hair in Nigeria, I won't spend more than 10,000 naira on it. But I mean, whatever, I'm not in Nigeria, so I guess I have to stop comparing prices. But yeah, the girl is on her way now to the house to get my hair done, and I'm just gonna blow dry my hair so that I can be ready for her when she comes. She already texted me that she's on her way. Hopefully she gets it right, because I'm not about to spend £150 and I'll not be happy with what I've gotten at the end of the day. If I spend £150, I best be happy, and the hair best last as long as it would have lasted if I was in Nigeria, period. I'm wondering, do people actually pay that amount of money for hair?
Well, interestingly, I have friends that tell me to pay their like £250.
That's what someone told me, 250, 300. I'm like, are you joking?
Like they say that when they braid like that, they carry it for like 3 to like.
I'm not trying to carry it for that long because my hair is going to cut. No, I just want to carry it for like 6 weeks, thereabout.
And I don't wonder what my lover. You give me feels when you do. No one can do it like you. Girl, you're so hot like summer. You're everything I ever wanted. You give me feels when you do. No one can do it like you.
The next day.
You guys, so I finally completed my hair yesterday and it looks so pretty, although it's not as small as I would have wanted it to be, but it still gets the job done. And yeah, really cute or whatever. Do you like my hair? Is it pretty?
It's gorgeous.
He has lens because yesterday he was busy saying it's okay. What do you mean by it's okay?
I didn't say it was okay.
After spending £150,
I said it was nice.
If I spend £150 on my hair, it best be gorgeous, baby. Do you understand what I mean? But yeah, anyways, today we're headed to Horsham because I lost my BRP, so I need to go and get a replacement, and they're sending the replacement to my uncle's house in Horsham today, so that's what we're going to be doing. So we're currently at the station waiting for the train, and yeah. So first we came for a bite at Costa. Which one do you want, babe? These are the ones that can be toasted. All these ones are cold. Which one is that one? Cheddar and roasted tomatoes.
Thank you.
Do you like your haircut?
It's okay.
he wants to make his hair, so he's trying to grow his afro till the point where it can like plait. So that's why he didn't cut it. Yeah, so it's giving old school vibes at the moment. Anyways, I'm at the nail salon because I want to make my nails. I literally went to all the salons in my area and all of them were booked out except for this one. So hopefully I get my nails done and it's like cute. I should be next hopefully, because you can see there's a bunch of people waiting to get their nails done. So yeah, I wanted to go with this color. I wanted to go with this color before, but I decided to go with something from Instagram instead. So yeah, let's see how that goes. Hopefully it turns out nice. Fingers crossed.
So tell me who's gonna love you like I do? Who's gonna touch you like I do?
I am so obsessed with my nails. They're so pretty. I don't know how to act, guys. Look. I don't know if you guys can appreciate it. It's not showing well. I'm gonna flip the screen so that you guys can see it better. Can you guys see? Can you see it? Hold on. Look. It is so gorgeous. Can you guys see? What? I'm obsessed. I'm actually very obsessed with how good this is. Like, I feel like these are the best nails I've ever done, but it cost quite a pretty penny. I'm even ashamed to say the price because it was a bit expensive, but yeah.